Hello, my name is Adeswa Egbon and you're watching Ariwa World Network. Today I'll be talking to you about your health, especially when it comes to food. So today's topic would be healthy breakfast ideas for a good immune system. On the journey to better health, you have to maintain a good diet. You know what they say, you are what you eat. So what you put into your body is exactly what you're going to get from it. If you're not eating right, you would always be sick, you'd have more health problems. And breakfast is a very important meal of the day. It is what you need to kickstart the day and have all the energy that you will need for the rest of your day. So I'll be giving you breakfast tips to keep you in good shape and boost your immune system. So here are tips for ingredients that can provide you with an immunity boosting breakfast. And first on the list is fruits. You should consume more fruits. Try to take oranges, mangoes, a lot of them. Oranges in particular have vitamin C, which is very good for your immune system. You should endeavor to take fruits. And then next on the list is turmeric. Many people know turmeric for its skin rejuvenating properties. It helps with making your skin look good, but can also be added to your meals. If you are the type that likes smoothies for breakfast, you could put turmeric in it and consume it. It helps in minimizing burning sensations from stomach inflammation. So you have that terrible feeling from having a stomach problem. It helps with minimizing it and you feel so much better. Consume more protein. It is a very important nutrient for your immune system. It helps with muscle and tissue repair. And if you're on a weight loss journey, it's an important nutrient because if you're not eating right and you're trying to work out and burn fat, it's not going to help if you're not eating the right foods. So make sure you add protein to your meals. So that means you should consume more milk, eggs, meats, and fish. Next up is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a source of vitamin A. They contain beta-carotene. It also helps protect your skin from ultraviolet rays. I know you didn't know that. It's a natural sunscreen. So if you buy sunscreen and you leave that white cast that you don't like on your skin, you can start eating sweet potatoes. And last on the list is ginger. I already praised the virtues of ginger in the last video. We will leave a link in the description for you to go check out that video. If you're a tea person, you can add ginger to your tea. It is so good, it's flavorful, you will enjoy it, and it's also good for your system because it relieves you of indigestion, and if you're nauseated, ginger is very helpful for that. And with that, I have come to the end of today's video. I also hope that you will take these tips into consideration and work towards having a healthier, better breakfast. Until next time, my name is Adeswa Egbon. Have a nice one.